No more road reblockings and repairs for now, as far as the Department of Public Works and Highways is concerned. Let's get the latest from Joash Malimban on the line. Joash, tell us more about the suspension in roadworks.
My DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon has ordered the immediate suspension of all reblocking works and repairs on roads that remain undamaged. The move comes after reports of repairs being carried out on roads that appear to be in good condition. Dizon said such projects have long been allegedly used as a source of corruption in public works. He added that there are no exact figures yet as to how many of these reblocking operations are in the country, but the department is now conducting investigations into these projects. The Secretary clarified, however, that exceptions will be made for repairs involving damaged roads, drainage systems, and other essential maintenance works. During a press conference earlier, Dizon explained that the suspension order is part of the ongoing reforms aimed at eliminating potential sources of corruption within the department. He also announced that additional reforms are underway, including the implementation of a DPWH transparency server to allow the media and the public to closely monitor all projects and expenditures. Mai.
Joash, did the DPWH give an update on the Pigatan Bridge that collapsed in Alcala, Cagayan?
Yes, Mai. According to Secretary Dizon, construction actually is already underway on the alternative bridge in Alcala, Cagayan. The project cost at least 17 million pesos with a structural integrity of 40-ton limit, more than double of the collapsed bridge in Alcala, Cagayan. The bridge is expected to be finished within 60 days. Mai.
Kasi alam nga natin, sinabi na ng DPWH, no, 40 years old na yung bridge na yon. Ngayon, pumunta naman tayo dito sa isa pang issue. Kailan maipapalabas ng DPWH yung kanilang transparency server?
May no timeline yet on this transparency server, but according to Dizon, this will ensure that information is easily given to the media or to the public regarding public works projects. This include also yung yung mga unprogrammed appropriations na mga projects na dito fina-file sa unprogrammed appropriations. So ina-expect natin na talagang mas magiging transparent yung or accessible itong mga proyekto na isinasagawa ng Department of Public Works and Highways. Mike.
Thank you, Joash Malimban reporting.